Hi. Have you seen the last or the first video of drug proving? We have come up to the or we have finished up to the recording of the symptoms. But one more thing that how will you record the symptoms? There should be one. There should be some book, notebook. Yeah, here the supervisor or the drug proving conductor gives the diary to each prover, so that each prover will note down the symptom every day on the same day with a special, that is a completion of symptom, that is LSMC, that is location, sensation, modality and concomitant, that we have seen yesterday. But now this, what is this diary called as? This is called as day diary or day book. Each prover should have that day book, so that they can write the symptoms at the end of the day or at particular time. At, it might be in the morning, it might be in the afternoon, or it might be at night, but the specific time should be there. Today morning at 9 o'clock, next day morning at 9 o'clock, after 24 hours approximately, half an hour here and there. Likewise, they have to record the symptoms, like they have to complete the symptom, they have to record the symptom, either the they have to record the symptom either serially, or they have to record the symptoms primary action of the symptom or secondary action of the symptoms in the narcotics, then alternating action of the medicine, then likewise they have to record the symptoms in day book daily. And at the end, here ends the here ends the proving part of it. So, and now the third part is post proving. Post proving, that is a collection of, there are three parts, that is collection of data, then analysis of data, and publication of what you have done proving. Right? Collection of data. Now all the day diaries or day books are collected from the prover to by the supervisor, and the data is collected, and then this data is analyzed. How many of them have suffered from the same symptoms at same time, etc., etc., after taking the drug. Then whether their modalities are same or different, or they want to add, they have to analyze the data. And then third, they have to publish it later on, so that it comes to the public. This is here what is drug proving is. Now we will revise drug proving right from start, right from the first video. That is drug proving. There are three essentials or three prerequisites of drug proving. That is of medicine, it should be pure, and preparation should be good. It should be pure, genuine. Then second, prover, the ideal prover. The ideal prover is the homeopathic physician only, because he knows how to write, what to write, and everything about it. Then third is regarding the environment. Then this is prerequisite. Now pre-proving, genuinity of the drug, preparation of the drug, mode of administration, then dose of the drug. Then proving may, the second part is first part is related to medicine, second part is related to prover. You should select the prover, and according to the characters of ideal prover. There are seven qualities of ideal prover. According to that, you have to select the prover, and prover should be from both the sexes, all age group, both the sexes, and from all economical status, so that proving is done completely. Then third part is related to environment. There should not be any stress to the prover, or stress to the prover, mental stress at work. Right? Now third part then second part is proving. Now proving, what, there are two types of in the proving. First is there are two methods. Then two methods is single blind method, double blind method. And in proving also, we can just go through the medicine and the prover. That here ends the proving for say single blind method, double blind method. Now post proving, that is collection of data, that is a day diary which is supplied in the proving at the first day of proving by the supervisor or drug proving conductor to the prover, and they have to instruct the prover has been instruct how to write the day diary. And if the prover is illiterate, then every day prover should visit the supervisor or day diary supervisor or supervisor or drug proving conductor, so that with day diary, so that they can ask the patient prover and they can note down the day diary and they can complete it. In day diary, the symptoms are written in, symptoms should be completed, that is location, sensation, modality and concomitance. These 4 factors should be completed. Then second part is it should be written properly according to this drug, character of the drug. Then this here ends the proving. Now the last part is collection of data, then collection of data, analysis of data and publication. Here ends the drug proving. And the question asked on this topic, the 2 short notes, ideal prover, then ideal prover, and the second part is day book, and third is methods of drug proving. It can be asked in 2 ways. The methods of drug proving. What is drug proving? In short, tell about or describe about the qualities of the prover along with methods of drug proving. It can be a long question also, 7 to 8 marks. Thank you.